Is this a joke? Apparently, this is not a joke. It is a real operational procedure, seemingly from the Transport Department. The Transport Department has installed a huge 5x5 bright LED road sign that no road user can ever miss. However, this expensive installation is somehow considered inadequate in giving instructions to road users. It is obviously inadequate because the Transport Department requires 2 more road signs to be positioned next to it. There is a standard size road sign fixed onto the post of the traffic lights, and there is a mobile handheld road sign that is intermittently waved at moving traffic, just in case road users are too busy not being blinded by the huge LED sign in their peripheral vision. The Transport Department does not trust motorists to see and understand their latest modern LED signs. Thanks for watching and stay safe.